Look at you right now. Sitting there staring at a screen. Your cat is probably somewhere nearby. Maybe on the couch. Maybe on the floor. Maybe directly behind you right now. And it is just staring at you. Completely, absolutely, totally unimpressed. But here is the thing. What your cat actually sees when it looks at you is completely different from what you imagine. And honestly, it is a little weird. Let's talk about it. First, cats are partially colorblind. When most people hear that, they picture a cat seeing pure black and white. But that is not quite right. Cats have 2 types of color receptors in their eyes. Humans have 3. That one missing receptor makes a huge difference. Cats cannot see red or green the way we do. To a cat, the world looks like a pale, washed-out version of what we see. Lots of blues, lots of yellows, but almost zero red. So that bright red shirt you love? Your cat sees it as a flat, dull greenish gray. Sorry about that. But here is where it gets wild. Because what cats lose in color, they more than make up for in the dark. Cats have a massive advantage over us once the lights go out. It all comes down to one thing hidden inside their eyes. It is called the tapetum lucidum, a mirror-like layer sitting right at the back of the eye. When light enters a cat's eye, it hits the retina once, then bounces off the tapetum and passes through a second time. The cat gets 2 attempts to catch every single ray of light. We only get 1. That is why cats can see in conditions 6 times darker than anything we can handle. And that is also why their eyes glow when you point a camera flash at them in the dark. The light hits that mirror and shoots straight back out. Not creepy. Just physics. Very cool, slightly terrifying physics. Now, how do cats actually see you as a person? This is where it gets really interesting. Scientists believe cats do not really process humans as a separate species at all. They do not look at you and think, ah yes, a human. They look at you and see a very large, very clumsy, very strange cat. Seriously. This is a real scientific theory. The behaviors cats use with us are the exact same behaviors they use with other cats. The slow blink, the head bump, the tail pointing straight up. All cat-to-cat social signals. Used on us too. In your cat's mind, you are not its owner. You are its giant weird roommate who is excellent at opening food cans. That is your role. Treasure it. One more thing. Cats have a wider field of view than us. We see about 180 degrees. Cats see about 200. But here is the trade-off. Cats are wired to detect movement above everything else. A tiny fly buzzing across the room? Absolutely crystal clear. Your face when you are sitting perfectly still? Kind of blurry. Not because your cat does not care about you, but because their eyes are literally built to prioritize moving things. Still objects just do not register as sharply. So your cat is not ignoring you. It is not judging you. It literally just struggles to focus on things that are not moving. So the next time your cat stares at you with those slow half-closed eyes and does one long slow blink, it is not bored. It is not tired. It is telling you something. A slow blink from a cat means I feel safe with you. I trust you. That is what cat scientists call a cat kiss. And now you know how to give one back. Just look at your cat, relax your eyes and blink slowly. You are welcome. If you want to find out what life is like from a dog's perspective, that video is right here waiting for you. See you there.